Happy Saturday night, all, to you home buddies. Lonely Birdie Boos. The Little Wolf channel, doing a nice little stream. We're going to wrap up our Unsorted horror gameplay. I think there's one game left in this anthology series that's been, that I've enjoyed. Yeah, it's horror in the sense of, like the setting and the context is horror and horrifying, like, hasn't been very scary, which is fine, because it's very, the premises are scary, if you will, you're like, oh god. And the presentation is great. I have no faults for this game. It's actually, to its praise, it's been unexpected. Redefining the horror genre. Alright. I'm excited to check this last one, and I went into this... Should I go into this last one blind? I really enjoyed going into the last one, the previous one blind. The first three I went into reading a little bit, but this one was accidentally... Yeah, that's the last one, right? Yeah. Ooh, the Tartarus engine. Let's go in blind. Spacebar. Who's gonna find out what the Tartarus engine is? Vroom vroom, baby. Me. Something very cozy about the mechanical, as exemplified right there, just that physical disc into a drive, and you hear the humming and stuff. It's much more alive than everything happening behind the screen, It's kind of like having that, like an MP3 versus like either a compact disc or like a vinyl. Wow. The sound design of this game is incredible too, I must say. As far beneath Hades as heaven is above earth, construction began on the foundation of a great computer. Decades later, the first reality of eternal torment was imitated by the machine. The year is 2009, and the Tartarus engine was created. What the fuck did that just say? Foundation. Okay, so under the earth, they made an engine. They made they made a great computer, and then it took a while. The first reality of eternal torment was imitated by the machine. I don't understand. Okay, kinky. Time passed. To prevent workers from exploiting the machine for their personal gain, multiple protective measures were set in place. 4 technicians devise a plan and execute it into the night. There is no such thing as absolute security. I don't know if you break off a key in the lock. That's going to be hard to get through. It'll be too secure. Ah! There's only 3 of us. Ah, they're talking the same. Cool. Sure, right. Oh, I have a watch, and my name is Harper. Ugh, this guy. You're not one of us, are you? Why don't you make me? Punk. We don't like this guy. Seems like the boss. Yeah, you better go, punk. Alright, so I says that, so I says. This guy's pretty baked. Look at him. Just puffing. Puffing hard. Unbelievable.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I'll just stay here then. Like. Oh, and I'm going. Okay. This game I feel like could have jump scares. You know, I feel like the first four maybe lulled me. Del Fall, Sons of Shakara Try. I have to say, I feel like they all fit into the same world. And I really like. Damn, I love just how this all looks. So cool. Frightening. Looks like I should do this. No, that's a sign. Okay, floor splitter. Partition room. I think I want to go to the partition room. Yep, this looks right. I'm just here on my maintenance. Yep, that hand. Yep. 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 I've been spending that much money on that much paint for a sign that, you know, like you could do a smaller sign. Watch me, I complain about something else. Latch. I feel like I should be here. Oh, latch. Latch. Oh, okay. Yep. That's good. Okay, yep. Latch locked. Maybe I should unlock it. Oh, I'm going. Watch my head. Ah, God! Should have had a flashlight or something. What if I just get stuck here? It's a long drive. Ba-doo-ba-doo. Atmosphere. Bum ba ba da ba da ba da ba da ba. What is the fourth dimension? Anyone know that comic I'm referencing? Ooh. Crazy. So I think I'm trying to sabotage something, or... Yeah, because that guy looked pretty official and I'm pretty unofficial. This seems like an unofficial channel. Okay. What am I doing that I have 10 minutes to do? Is this real time? What the fuck am I doing? Can I use this drill to kill someone with? Axe? I may need to use that axe crowbar on someone. Bum ba da dum ba da dum. Can I up the speed? I don't want to mess with this. I might get stuck. These games. What was that? It stopped. It stopped. Why did it stop? Why did it stop, folks? What was happening? Am I supposed to be here? I don't think so. I'm supposed to connect something to something. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm gonna fuck up, guys. I'm fucking up. I'm clicking everything I can. Ooh. God damn it, guys. They don't tell you. Why is it hard? Of course they don't tell you. Oh no, heaven forbid I have a challenge in my life. Oh wait, use the tools. Use the tools. Yes. Drop items with Q. What will this do? I use this on something. Fucking hell. I don't understand. And I need to use this item. Drill something. Guys, I'm dumb as dirt. can't figure out this puzzle. Maybe use the crowbar to break into something. Oh, guys, I'm so dumb. I can't figure this out. Make it back by midnight, my ass. Oh, what does this do? What does this do? I hook this up. I hook this up somewhere. I need to put this somewhere. No, it goes right back there, but I can grab it. Can I place it on anything? Bum 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 bum. Can I hit it with my crowbar? I think this is what I want to use, but like... Oh man, it's unclear. Oops. I can't crouch. Oh man, it's killing me. Folks. Got me a lifeline. I'm so dumb. I'm cooking. Like, I need to replace the wire or something. This is a tough one. Okay, and the music ain't helping. It's good, don't get me wrong. It's loud. Loud. Okay, you know what? I can't even minimize the game. Alright, I can't... Oh, here we go. Excuse me. Jesus. Alright, dun 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 dun. Click somewhere. No keys, no pain, no gain. What am I missing? What am I missing? Don't want to have this figured out for me, you know, I have to click on everything. What could I have to interact with that's left? Surely I should be able to throw myself into the chasm. This fence came down. It makes no sense to me. Am I... Jesus, folks, I just, wait a minute. I see, those probably aren't interactable with, but let's find out. Little drill bits in the walls. Oh my god! I didn't see those at all. We have a game. Holy crap. Dough, alright. That's what I'm here for. I'm so dumb. I'm supposed to do something. I'm gonna start whacking at this thing. Ah, yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. Time's cooking. I'm so dumb. Thought I was stuck. Yeah, I'm downloading a virus. Oh boy, folks. They probably did not allow for me to be this dumb. Is it working? Did I click things? I think I just wait. Is it good? It's good. Now what? Did I put this in there somewhere? Oh, now can I put this in? How does this work? Oh, I take that one out. Aha! Alright, I got it. Now replace. Time to head back. Do I put the panel back on? The panel's gone. I think I can just go. Doesn't matter. No one's ever gonna check it, I guess. Let's go! Alright, folks. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I mean, of course I can figure out how to do it, because, because there was nothing to do. I was supposed to be there. Man, oh man. Uh-oh. Well, now I might get some flack for it. Like, what were you down there? I was like, oh, I was just fucking around. I was just getting high on the job, sir. Midnight. Okay. It's a nice watch. Well, that's good. Something's probably gonna get me. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, good. See, I thought it was at my stop. I don't understand. I don't understand. Spooky. So, oh yeah, this was about like the supercomputer thing. And like, I didn't want other people to know about the supercomputer thing. Uh-huh. Oh, these are people. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. This looks like a lot of fun. Any else seat? I need the bathroom first, guys. Yeah, then just strap myself in, huh? How about you strap yourself in? I'll be there. Alright, alright. Oh, well, these chairs look very uncomfortable. I guess I chose that one. Sneezed in my mask. The sneezy one. Ugh. Yeah. My back's to the door? I don't like that. I'm gonna go into the Matrix. Ah! My head's in the clamp. I'm gonna get a face blast to something I don't like. Well, that was something I didn't like. Whoa. Uh-oh. Potatoes to peel? Hmm. Huh. This is strange. Yep. That was strange. I wanted to peel some potatoes, guys. I was gonna go over the high score.
The image is clear.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna be in the chair too, so no one's gonna be kind of taking care of us? Huh. Oh no. You're kidding. Great, yeah, what if you get logged like that forever? Great, he forgot something. That's what I wanted to hear. Well, this is an interesting experience. Ha 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 ha. This is awful. Oh my god. So is this really a game at this point? Do I do anything? Do I just watch this? I'm gonna try clicking a little. Clicking's not doing anything. So is that my eternity? Is that the end of the game? I fucked up. I didn't fuck up, that other guy fucked up. Tartarus engine. An unsorted horror exclusive. Oh, yep, that was indeed. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, I just got kind of, again, a horrifying idea. Horror just sucked into the old foreverness of some thing, and it, like, we got stuck in a loop at the end. Imitating eternal torment. I don't understand this eternal torment vibe, but I liked the game. Thanks for making it. And, oh, I have to hold escape to escape. I was like, you can never escape this game. Thanks for making it, and thanks for joining me, guys. Finally, an official exit. I'll do a little uninstall here, and I'll check you out another horror game sometime. This was the Oda Wolf channel. Catch you later.